Hi, and welcome to this tip of the week. In today's video, I wanted to talk about creating a seamless loop in Create. We see here that the scene in front of us has a fan pulling air through, depicted by these arrows in a seamless loop. If we'd like to create this seamless loop, let's go ahead and create a scene where we have the fan rotating and an arrow translating forward at the 4-second mark. The first thing we want to do is come to the 3-second mark, select our original arrow here, and let's go ahead and right-click and copy the transforms. After that, we're going to right-click and duplicate the original arrow. I'm just going to go ahead and name this dupe arrow for duplicate arrow. We're going to go ahead and right-click and paste its transforms that we had copied from the original arrow. So now we see if we scrub, the duplicate arrow is in the same position as the original arrow is at the 3-second mark. What we're going to do is move this arrow forward until the 4-second mark, so we need to create an animation for that. So let's go to the original arrow, move it forward here, or move the timeline forward here until we get to that 4-second mark. Let's do what we did before. We right-click and copy those transforms. Let's go to the 0-second here and start recording an animation. Clicking our duplicate arrow, move it forward just a bit. Right-click and paste that transform. We could stop recording here. Now we see if we play this, or scrub along here, that both arrows are moving. And if we actually put our loop at the 3-second mark, since we have the animation from the 3-second mark to the 4-second mark on the duplicate arrow, we'll notice that they loop as soon as it gets to that position there. And what we want to do here is just create some fades. So for the original arrow, we're going to create a new channel, right-click, add a fade in. And for the duplicate arrow, let's add a new channel and create a fade out. Let's change the fan rotation here to the new 3-second mark. And let's go ahead and play that animation. We see the switch happens at the 3-second mark between the original arrow and the duplicate arrow. So it's kind of picking up where the original arrow leaves off and fading out. And that's it for this tip of the week. Thank you very much for viewing this video, and we'll see you next week.